Alright, so behind all this brush is a circa 1958 to 1966 Pargo Golf Cart in here. So let's see if I can dig this thing out. You might not be able to see it, but it's in there. Gotta get to it better. There it is. You can see it. It looks okay from this distance. That seat is mangled though. Yeah. Well, here it is. It's starting to shine in the light. But look at this. This golf cart was number 20 at some sort of golf course. It didn't take me too long to really get all this out. I gotta get all that cut out, but yeah. This is utterly, well, it's somehow unbolted itself, this piece. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Frame of it appears to be okay. Steering wheel's intact. Here's my progress. I can actually climb in it now. I know I have the seat, I know I have that coaster, that light I need to replace. Badge is missing. It's had body work done to it. This still steers. This still steers. It's got this switch, this light, missing switch. The frame looks okay. The wheel's made of wood. Interesting. Yeah. These bolts broke off of that frame, but that's fine. Yeah. I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I need to go in the air conditioning. It's hot. Actually, before I do that, that's not good. That's the motor. It actually looks okay. And there's the resistor. Right through. As you can see, right here, this thing is still connected to a tire pump, and here it is. Right here. I don't know where the fuck I got that thing from. Don't think I can lift it up. Nope, must be a latch. Seen the light of day for a good few years. Old pump. Old bike pump. I wonder if I could restore this. Used to have a wood handle right here, but it doesn't no more. Doesn't have a wooden handle anymore. Unbreakable base. Well, if you call it unbreakable base, sorry to tell you this, but it broke. Yeah. That was bullshit. But, maybe I could fix that. Other than that, here's what she's looking like. So many weeds on that side, I think. so many weeds on this side that I think that's what's preventing me from lifting it up. Because as we can see, it doesn't want to lift. So I need to figure that out. But as we can see, it's hinged right there. Still turns. These are all our solenoids here. That's the solenoid bank. Here's the motor. There's the transmission. It's not too bad. I'm more worried about the frame. Oh yeah. Those tires. Completely flat. Yeah. It's not the worst. I'll be damned. Okay. I don't believe it. It seems to be holding. Well, they're seeming to be holding. And that one's not flat. This one holding so far. The front one seems to be holding too. Unbelievable. I just got to get this thing out of here. Well, seems one of the tires has gotten flat, but this one here, rock hard. Oh, that one's shot. There's a spare tire that was next to this thing. Let's see if this one's flat. Yeah, that one's flat. Well, as we can see, it's got some fiberglass damage, but nothing that can't be fixed. I'm looking at this wire and oh, it broke off. It broke off of the switch. I think this was to the headlight. If I'm thinking right. Headlight was right here. And that was an aftermarket thing that somebody added. But I believe this pulls out. I believe this pulls out though, and it don't pull out. Then there was something here. Super strange. That's your reverse, off, and forward switch. There was a key. I don't think we own the key to this thing anymore. Yeah, these wires went to something, to the switch. Probably to the light. Well, thank you for watching this video. There'll be more on this hopefully soon. I do have a trip to Pennsylvania, but yeah, I'll keep you posted on this thing. Bye. See ya.